Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix high memory or RAM usage and increase PC or laptop performance. First step is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Background Intelligent Transfer Service, change startup type to manual, stop the service, click apply, click OK. Open Sysmogin service, change startup type to manual, stop the service, click apply, click OK. Open Windows Search Service, change startup type to manual, stop the service, click apply, click OK. Second step is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand control. Click and expand session manager, click and expand memory management. Open clear page file at shutdown, change value data to 1, close and exit registry editor. Third step is click Start, Settings, click Privacy, click Background Apps. Turn off unwanted apps. Fourth step is type Optimize Drives in Windows search bar, click Optimize Drives. Click Optimize. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.